Hi everyone, welcome to the second video on Paramiko tutorial in Python learning series for network engineers. In the first video we have seen how to write a basic Python script using Paramiko library to initiate an SSH connection to a device. Here the missing host key policy was AutoAddPolicy because we were not having the host entry in our trusted host list. Later in the end of the first video I just showed how to add it using SSH connection. When I initiated an SSH, it asked whether to add the fingerprint in the host list. I just gave yes and it installed. Now you can verify that using nano. You can see the fingerprint of this. Now let's see how to make our script to support that. Rather than accepting any connection, what we'll do, we'll start verifying it from our host list. So for that we'll go to the document. Here there is a value, load system host key. Okay, let's search for that. Yeah, you can see here. So it reads from the system host file. So by default it will go and read from this host file, known host list. If the host is available in this list, it will accept the connection. So let's try using that. So I'll comment this, and here session dot load system host keys. Now let's try running the script. It is asking for username. Okay, now without AutoAddPolicy it is working, so that means it is going and checking in the host list. Now let's try removing the entry from host list. I'll delete this. Now let me try again the script. Okay, let me hardcode the username and password so that execution will be easy. You don't have to enter username and password always. User 1. Okay, either you can use single quotes or double quotes. Password. Okay, now I have removed the specific host key. Now let me try running it. So now I am getting the error saying that ubuntu2.lab not found in the host list. Now if I initiate an SSH connection, if I search using -f /sshkey, I will not be able to find it. Now in the initial search, if you see, let me just show the host file again. Here you can see everything is hashed. Now if you want this in plain text, there is a way. What you can do, we'll edit etc ssh underscore config. Here there is a value hashknownhosts. If I give no here, I'll save this file. I have to give the sudo here. Let me give no, and let me add the SSH key again. Okay, now let me verify that whether SSH key is there or not. So you can see here, now it is coming in plain text, the host details. If you verify it in the known host list, you can see now it is coming in the trusted list. Similar way, there is another method. Okay, we'll verify it here. So we were using load system host keys here. If you see the script, we were using load system host keys. Now there is another method, load host keys. If we use load host keys, we need to use the exact file location. We'll try that. Let me remove this, and let me get the file location. I'll copy this. The file name is known host, and we'll try running the script. You can see I'm getting the output. So now we have seen how to use load system host keys. Load system host keys by default loads from the .ssh folder and takes a known host list. If you use known host keys, you have to manually give the file location. Now we'll see another method. We have seen AutoAddPolicy already, so now we'll see how to do reject policy. Let me comment this. I'll copy this, put it here, and instead of AutoAddPolicy, I'll give reject policy. Let me try running it. So you can see here, it is saying it is not able to find a known host in the list. If we uncomment this, I am able to run it. Now what I'll do, I'll just remove the entry again. Now instead of reject policy, I'll give warning policy. You can see warning policy just gives a warning. Let's try running the script. See, it showed a warning, but it allowed to connect to the device. So these are some of the parameters which you can configure when you do an SSH connection in Paramiko. Now we'll see some more options here. If you want to run multiple commands using same script, what you can do, we'll just create a list here. We'll create a list called commands here. I'll add some commands. Then I'll add a command here, ls/, then the second command I'll add the username, echo $user, then the third command I'll give the host name, then one invalid command also I'll give. Okay, now we need to iterate through each command. So what we'll do, we'll create a for loop here. For each command, input commands, then we'll put this under the for loop. Now instead of host name, we'll give command, each command what comes from this list, and we'll have a delay, and we'll remove the f string here. Now let us try running the script. You can see I'm getting the output. You can see it has printed all the output. Okay. For now we'll comment these two. To avoid the warning, we'll enable this. Now inside for loop, what we'll do, we'll give a print statement. I'll create a formatted string, and inside curly braces I'll give I have to remove this double quotes, and I need to give single quotes here because f string is defined using double quotes, so inside double quotes I need to give single string. Now I'll give the text here, executing the command, and I'll give the command here. It will take the command from here, and again I'll give now. Let's try running the script again. So you can see we are able to differentiate the command executions. Here for each command output, you can see here there is a message on top of each execution. No, but here you can see we are not getting any error message because we are not handling any error which comes from paramiko. So what we can do here, all the errors will be stored here. So we need to define the errors here. I'll define a variable here, error equal to std error, and if there is an error, print the error. Now let's try running the script. So now you can see here it is printing the exact error what we are receiving in the terminal. In the next video we'll see how to use SSH key instead of hard-coded username and password for securing the communication. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.